But in inverse proportion, everything's going to be changed. Suppose I'm telling you third question of that. Okay, now in third question you can see that there are 35 men. See, in inverse proportion what we have learned earlier, that if one thing will increase, so other thing will decrease, or if one thing is decreasing, so other thing will be increasing. So read question number 35. If 35 men can reap a field in 8 days, so how many days can 20 men reap the same field? Means in this you can see that if men are increasing, so days will be decreasing, and if men will be decrease, if men will increase, so days will be decreased. Okay, you can see that in your house also, if it is making, so if number of worker will increase, so days in which it will be formed, that will be decreased. So these things gives the inverse proportion. Okay, now we will see what will happen in this question. We can write that yes, 35 men reap field in, your days taken by 35 men to reap the field is 8 days. Okay, so find out करना है अपने को. We have to find out that time taken by 20 men. Okay, time taken by 20 men. In this, same thing will be there. Solution will be written with same process. Let time taken be, sorry, time taken by 20 men be x. Same process, same thing will be here also, that men and time taken, same thing will be here also. When 35 men was there, 8 days was taken. So when 20 men were there, x time will be taken. Now what is the difference? Now in the previous question we divide these two and equate these two things. Okay, means in, if it was direct proportion, then we will write it 35 upon 8 will be equal to 20 upon x. But if it is inverse proportion, what we will write, 35 into 8 will be equal to 20 into x. मीन्स उसमें डिवाइड होता था, इसमें मल्टीप्लाई होगा, बस इतना डिफरेंस है और कुछ नहीं. सो हेयर यू कैन गेट दैट x विल बी इक्वल टू 35 into 8 डिवाइड बाई 20. नाउ कैंसिल द थिंग्स, इट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाई 2. 4 2 जा and 4 5 जा 5 7 जा 7 2 जा 14 days they will take. That's the answer. Simply, I hope you are getting this.